welcome to 3D Naimona channel. Today I want to show you a method to have a two-tone nail. I mean that it is covered both under the nail and on the nail. Please subscribe my channel for more education. Of course there are different methods and I want to teach you this method today. Well, we will start with a combi manicure. I first use sandy nail file and then trim the nail cuticles with scissors. Then I file the surface of the nail, and after cleaning the nail, we will use a former to lift or shape the nail. If you don't know how to run the former, write below to me here and I will prepare a video for you. So after apply former, we should apply the hydrator, then apply primer, and then base coat as you watch in this video. Then we should apply the gel polish of our choice to the size of the nail we want. I used shine here. You can use any color. After 60 seconds drying, we will apply polygel. I want to apply ombre or baby boomer on the nail. First, I use white polygel and I completely shape it with a gel pen. And after it dries, I completely smooth it with a file until its surface is even with the surface of the nail. After that, I applied my beautiful peach Buildregel. First, we should apply a thin layer of the Buildregel on the surface of the nail. In the second step, we place a larger amount of Buildregel on the nail surface and shape it with a design brush. Then, we file the surface of the nail to make it completely smooth. And finally, we apply the top coat to finish the work. Now, I have a beautiful two-tone nail. In future, I want to teach you different ways to perform the Buildregel. Write to me below, are you having trouble doing Buildregel or not? Let's comment below me if you run this method. Write your experience and say this tutorial was useful or not. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to watch my next video. I want to show you several differences of ombre nail. I love you and I wish you success.